Morning children. Now in the previous lecture we have given you concept of limit and the derivative. Now our topic of class 12th is continuity of a function at a given point. What does it means? Without plotting a function, how can you check that the function is continuous at that point or discontinuous? Means is there any breakage of curve or the curve is going continuous? Means there is no break in the curve, then curve is called continuous. If there is a break in the curve, then curve is called discontinuous. Let y is equal to fx be a function. Now to check continuity of function at x is equal to a, now this is your curve y equals to fx, x is equal to a is a point. From here I am plotting this perpendicular. This is value of function at a, that is fa. This length is fa. Now what is a minus h? This is called left neighborhood of a. This is called right neighborhood of a. A plus h means slightly more than a. A minus h means slightly less than a. What to do to check the continuity? Now to check the continuity we will find LHL. As I told you, LHL is left hand limit. Now what we do, we find the left hand limit of the curve as x goes to a negative. A negative means left neighborhood. You know, at the left neighborhood the value of x is a minus h. Now your limit goes to h goes to 0. Now RHL is your right hand limit. Now children, look at right hand limit. It is a positive, means right neighborhood a plus h, and a minus h is left neighborhood. Now in place of x we will substitute a plus h here. Now children, if the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, as I told you in the previous lecture, when LHL and RHL both are equal, the limit exists. Now if the value of function, this is called value of function, value of function is also equal, then function fx is called continuous at x is equal to a. Then function is said to be continuous at x is equal to a, otherwise discontinuous. What does the meaning? What does the mean of discontinuous, children? Discontinuous means the curve is not continuous at this point, means the curve is, there is a break in the curve. Now children, come to types of discontinuity. How many types of discontinuity are there? Discontinuous function is that function in which LHL and RHL both are unequal. It means the limit does not exist. Sometimes it happens that the value is equal to LHL or value is equal to RHL. Now the second type, in which LHL and RHL are equal. Limit exists but the value is different. In this case all are different. These all are the types of discontinuity. In this case the function is not discontinuous function. Now come to the next. Now children, very important note, you have to learn these notes for the future references also, but in this chapter these are very important. Number 1, the following functions are continuous on their domains, that is value of x. Constant function, you know, constant function fx is equal to 4, 5, 6, always continuous. Polynomial, all the polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c or ax cube plus bx square, and all the degrees of natural degrees polynomial which are always considered continuous. Now rational function, two polynomials, that is polynomial upon polynomial, always continuous. Sine and cosine functions are continuous. Exponential e to the power x, a to the power x, a to the power x, 2 to the power x, 3 to the power x, like that. Logarithmic log functions are continuous. Modulus functions are continuous on their domain. These are a standard function, always considered continuous on their domains. We always consider these functions continuous on their domain. Now I am going to start how to check the continuity of a function. How can we judge the continuity of a given function? Come to this question. Check the continuity of a function. Function fx is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3. How can we check the continuity? Our requirement is to check the continuity without plotting this graph at x is equal to 3, whether the function is continuous or discontinuous, means is there any break or not. How can we check it? By using left hand and right hand limits. Now our a is 3 here. 3 negative means left hand limit. Now what we do, we take the left portion of a, that is 3 minus a, left neighborhood, as I told you in the introduction of this chapter, left neighborhood. Now what to do, we will put left neighborhood in here in this function. Whenever you put 0, you will get 2 into 9 minus 1, that is 17. RHL is right hand limit. X goes to 3 positive, means right neighborhood. Children, what to do? We will put 3 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. 2 bracket 3 plus h whole square minus 1. Put h is equal to 0 limit. You will get same 17. Now the last step is to find value of the function. Here you have to put 3 square minus 1, that is 18 minus 1, 17. Look children, you can see that LHL and RHL and value all are equal to 17. Thus fx is continuous at x is equal to 3. This is the first type of question. We can directly check the continuity of a function by using this concept. Now how can we check whenever the point is not given, at where we have to check the continuity? We have to check the continuity of this function x is equal to minus 5. The first method is that this function is purely a polynomial. Being a polynomial, it is continuous for every point. But if you want to solve this question, now what to do? First of all, you have to check that fx has domain as real number, because it is a polynomial function. You can put real values. It means fx is real and finite on R. Now let us consider x is equal to c be any point on its domain. Right? Now at c we will check the continuity of the function. All the polynomial, whenever the polynomial are given like this, it may be x square plus 5, x square minus 5, 3x square. Whenever this point is not given to you, you have to write the domain of the function and take any point in the domain, because we know that the polynomial are continuous on their domains. You can take any point in the domain. We are taking point C. As we have taken C as a point of the domain, now LHL is left neighborhood. You know, it is left neighborhood. Now we put C minus H here, beta. Now what happened? Whenever you put C minus H minus 5. Now beta put H is equal to 0, you will get C minus 5. Now RHL. What is RHL? RHL is your C positive, means right neighborhood. बेटा इसका right neighborhood देखना है आपने. Now C plus H means right side of the C point. Now put the value in the function. Whenever you put, because our function is, let me tell you, your function is x minus 5. Here इन प्लेस ऑफ x वी आर पुटिंग c माइनस एच. अब मैं इसमें क्या पुट करूँगा, c प्लस एच. नाउ h इज़ 0, c minus 5. Now value at c is c minus 5. You can see that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to FC. Fx is continuous at c belongs to R, implies on R, continuous on R, right? Now children, sometimes we are getting this type of question. Now it is a reciprocal type function. It is not a polynomial because it is a denominator is a polynomial. By the simple definition, beta, you can write it is a continuous function because one is your constant function, x minus 5 is a polynomial function, and whenever you say a rational function is always continuous. Numerator upon denominator, both polynomial, both are continuous, means the function is continuous. But how can we check? Now fx has domain. What is the domain of this function? Can you tell me? Real minus 5. Why? Because 5 cannot be taken. If you put 5 here, it becomes infinity. Now let us take c be a point in its domain, and we proceed in the same way. LHL and RHL. Now I'm missing a step. This one I'm directly writing this c minus h. Doesn't matter, you can write in the examination also, because it is clear that you are taking right neighborhood. बच्चे put h is equal to 0, c minus 5. Now RHL is limit h tends to 0. देखो बेटा, c plus h कौन सा right neighborhood हो गया ये? h tends to 0. Now what to do? c plus h minus 5. When you put h is equal to 0, c minus 5. About the value, when we put c minus 5. Now children, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to FC. Fx is continuous on c. C is what? C is domain. It means fx is continuous on domain of f. फंक्शन के डोमेन पर ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस होगा, राइट? Yes children, come to the another question in which you are getting that our function having dual nature. What is the meaning of dual nature? Dual nature means the function having dual nature means double nature. It works as 2x plus 3 when x is less than or equal to 2. It works as 2x minus 5 when x is more than 2. We have to check the continuity at x equal to 2. Now children, our method is standardized method. We have to check the LHL and RHL. At 2 I am checking 2 minus h, that is left neighborhood, as I told you in the previous lecture. Now this is the important thing, which function is to be used here while finding LHL. देखो बेटे, this is x is less than 2 और this is x is more than 2. Less than 2 means 2 से छोटा, तो means ये function काम आएगा. You have to put in this function. You have to write this 2 minus h in this function. When you put h is equal to 0, you will get 7 answer. Now RHL. Now what is RHL? X goes to 2 positive. Fx. What is the meaning of 2 positive x? F of 2 plus h. Which side? Right side of 2. Now h goes to 0. Put 2 plus h. 2 plus h will be lying in this range. 2 more than 2. In this function we will put 2 plus h. Now children, we are getting 4 minus 5 minus 1. If you want to find value of the function, put it here 2 plus 3. Because equality is here only, we will put value 2 here. देखो ये 2 equal यहाँ पे है ना, तो इसमें put करेंगे 2 plus 5, that is 4 plus 3 7. You can see that LHL is not equal to RHL, but LHL is equal to value. LHL is not equal to RHL and equal to value. This LHL and RHL both are equal, but RHL is not equal. LHL and value both are equal, RHL is not equal. Discontinuous means this curve is discontinuity at x is equal to 2. Discontinuity means, the children, if you plot the graph, you will find that at x equal to 2, the curve having a break. Break means there is a break in the curve, there is no continuity in the curve. Now children, come to another problem. Fx is equal to 2x square minus x when x is less than 1, and 3x cube, this is cube, minus 2x when x is more than 1. How can we check the continuity? LHL. Children, I will miss this step, I will go to the directly. A is here 1, h goes to 0, we will put 1 minus h. LHL means left neighborhood. Left neighborhood, for left neighborhood we put in this function 2 into 1 minus h whole square, 1 minus h. Children, put h is equal to 0, 2 minus 1, we will get 1. RHL, limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h. 1 plus h means we will put in this function 3 bracket 1 plus h whole cube minus 2 1 plus h. When we put h is equal to 0, 3 minus 2 gives 1. f1 means the value of the function at x is equal to 1, because equality is lying in the second function, we will put there 3 minus 2, that is 1. LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f1. fx is continuous at x is equal to 1. The function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Continuity on an interval. In these type of question, there is no point will be given to you, but the function will be given to you. In dual nature or a single nature, you have to check the continuity of the function on the given interval. Sometime the teacher may ask the question, find the point of discontinuity. What is the meaning of point of discontinuity, children? Means you have to write the point where the function is discontinuous, means there is a break in the curve at that point. That point is to be specified. हमें वो point बताना पड़ता है कि at which point the continuity is not there, means the point of discontinuity we called as point of discontinuity. How can we find continuity of a function on an interval? With an example, I am showing you how to proceed in the examination, beta. Now, as I told you, how to find the continuity on an interval. This is your interval. What is interval? Interval is that you can check that this is an interval. Now 2 is here. In this case, we have all the points which are lesser than 2 to infinity, like lesser than 2, and this is your infinity. And in this case, we have all the points which are more than and equal to 2, means this side or this side. This is an interval. Over this interval, we have to check the discontinuity, point of discontinuity. Matlab we have to find that point where the curve is not continuous. What to do? There are 3 cases. The case 1. Now children, look, I have taken the first case. On the left hand side of the 2, that is this interval, that is minus infinity to 2 open bracket, that is less than 2. Now in the case of less than 2, you can see your function is 3x minus 7. What do you suggest about 3x minus 7? Clearly children, this is a polynomial. Being a polynomial, it is continuous on this interval. Now we will consider the second case. Now children, you can see the second case, x is more than 2. In the case more than 2, you can see that fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Being a polynomial, it is continuous. This function is continuous on this interval more than 2. Now last case, that is third case, when x is equal to 2. When we take x is equal to 2, now in this case we will discuss the previous one method of solving question. We will find LHL and RHL to evaluate continuity. Now you can see that at x is equal to 2, we have to check the same way as we proceed in the previous case. Whenever the point is given, the point is 2. Now at 2 you have to check the continuity. Now we will find LHL and RHL both. LHL is your -1, RHL is 7, and the value of function, because equality is here, we will put 2 here. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is 7. LHL is not equal to RHL. Discontinuous at 2. Point of discontinuity is x is equal to 2. Children, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? What is the meaning of this? It means whenever you plot this function, in the left hand side of the 2 and the right side of the 2, the function is continuous. The function is, there is no break at all up to infinity and minus infinity. But at x is equal to 2, there is a break in the function. Means इस point पर x is equal to 2 पर function टूटा हुआ है, break है, there is a break in the function. Understood? This is the way. At this point, your discontinuity is here. Your point of discontinuity is 2. 2 is the point where curve has a break.